Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to set guided access passcode. So if you want to use guided access on your iPhone and you want to set a unique passcode to protect your iPhone with guided access, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to set guided access passcode on iPhone, all you need to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. On the settings page, scroll down. Just keep scrolling, locate and click on accessibility. Once you selected accessibility, scroll down the accessibility page until you get to guided access. Then you should see guided access on. Now to set guided access passcode, locate and click on passcode settings. Then you should see set guided access passcode. Go ahead and click on that. Then you see what that says set passcode. So type in your guided access passcode. Again, re-enter the passcode you want to set for your guided access. And then that is going to set passcode for your guided access. And whenever guided access is turned on your iPhone, then you'll be prompted to type in the passcode to exit or enter the guided access page. So that's exactly how to set passcode on guided access for iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.